Hello friends, hope you all do good. Please take care of health because worldwide this COVID-19 is creating so much of problems. So health is the prime priority nowadays. Since we are not able to continue with the classroom sessions, Government of Kerala, Kerala Technological University and Nehru Group in specific has instructed we teachers to communicate with you students through online platforms. Hence, the Department of MCA, Nehru College of Engineering and Research Center is going for these kind of novel video lectures. Dear friends, we will discuss today about business intelligence. You know that we are presently standing on third module and we have a topic called as data mining. Let us see what exactly is data mining and how it is linked with the domain called as business intelligence.
Okay.
Over to the slides. What exactly is the motivation for data mining? That's the first question. See, data is not a standalone entity. In fact, we don't have any scarcity for data. Data is plenty, and this has given a rise to a new problem called as data explosion problem. Automated data collection tools and mature database technology lead to tremendous amount of data stored in databases, data warehouses, and other information repositories. See, so you're almost drowning in data. You're not starving of data. You are drowning in data, but you're starving for the required level of knowledge. So I repeat, dear friends, we are not in lack of data. We are in lack of right knowledge. And we need to have a solution. And we can say data mining is one such solution to extract the right level of knowledge from the plentiness of data available in various repositories universally available. So you can say that you are rich in data, but you are poor with information. Data mine can help discover the right diamonds of knowledge from two huge sized databases that is available universally. So dear friends, as we said, data mining can be defined as or understood as, more specifically, it can be understood as extraction of interesting knowledge that can be based on rules, regularities, patterns, constraints from the data in large databases. It can also be understood as analysis of large quantities of data that are stored in computers. See, you can call data mining as a standalone entity. As I told you, it has various number of names. You can call it as knowledge data development, knowledge extraction, data archaeology, information harvesting, or business intelligence. See, here we link the subject called as business intelligence along with the concept called as data mining. So, you can say that data mining is an amalgamated domain which contains statistics as its base, machine learning as another leg, and artificial intelligence to the core. So sum total of all these three things will come down to a great newer novel domain called as data mining. Dear friends, it is an evolution methodology. See, this was never a eureka finding of any one single personality or a single scientist or a statistician. The roots stands with statistics. Then came the novel computer age. Then through the computer age came data mining, and today it has reached to a novel idea where knowledge is extracted from all these big levels of data. It was long back in 1960s. Data collection, database creation, and network DBMS came. In 1970s, this gave way to relational models, relational database management system implementations. When it came for 80s, the computer science further evolved. RDBMS gave way to advanced models and application-oriented databases. Here comes the concepts of object orientation. OO was applied in almost all levels of software engineering. Then coming to the 90s, data mining and warehousing came out as a methodology wherein multimedia databases and web technologies started coming to the core of the knowledge bases. So friends, we're discussing business intelligence and its link with data mining. See, the term business intelligence is being viewed in a different context by different people. But definitely, for each of us, business intelligence may be defined, may be different. For a computer scientist, business intelligence may be something, a set of tools and technologies. But when you come to the core domain of business or a business manager, that can be further different. But there are certain things upon which all these common people agree, and such kind of an agreement is that it should have to have a data warehouse, which is going to be the centralized repository of data. It should have a set of business analytical tools by which the data can be analyzed, information can be generated, and reports can be drafted by the end user. And you can see that it should go for data mining first, which can include text as well as web mining. Business performance management is another term, which is going to be a set of goals as metrics and standards, and monitoring and measuring the performance by using this above set business intelligence methodology. See, what is the scope of data mining? Data mining has a big scope. Go for the third point. Managers need the right information at the right time in the right place. So fine. IT era is an era where any piece of information is available to anybody from anywhere at any time. See, definitely there is a question of security here. Let us change the word called as any to right. Let us have the right piece of information to the right person at the right place at the right time. In this context, data mining is definitely important for business intelligence. Friends, let's go for an opening vignette. The opening vignette, the textbook defines you with Hollywood. How is data mining linked with Hollywood? Yes, data mining goes to Hollywood. So says your Ramesh Sharda textbook. See, whether a movie is going to be a flop or a blockbuster, there are n number of factors by which you can define or you can predict whether a movie is going to be a flop or a blockbuster. See, Hollywood has already taken this as a very prime case study, and they have effectively made use of very interesting tools, very powerful business intelligence tools, very interesting data mining techniques by which they have classified the problems into 9-point scale. Through this effective classification, the data mining process map is using the IBM statistical process for social sciences modeling. See, an SPSS model is created for this vignette, and they have effectively classified the scope of a movie to be a flop or a blockbuster. How do they do this? There are n number of methodologies. They have created various patterns. They have taken the historical data. Upon this random verification, they create a model by which they can say that a movie is going to be a blockbuster, or an utter flop.